Welcome. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to disable vibration for support request notifications on Instagram. Whether you're trying to reduce distractions or simply want a quieter experience, this quick guide will help you take full control of your notification settings. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. This is where you can manage all app permissions and notification behaviors. Once you're in, scroll down and tap on Apps. Here you'll see a list of every application installed on your device. Next, find and tap on Instagram. This will take you directly to Instagram's app settings page where you can adjust how the app interacts with your device. Now, tap on notifications. This is the section that controls not only whether Instagram can send you alerts, but also how those alerts behave, including sound, vibration, and pop-ups. Then, tap on notification categories. Inside this menu, Instagram organizes notifications by type, like messages, comments, and in this case, support requests. These are the notifications Instagram sends when there's some kind of update or issue related to your account's support request. After that, tap on the support request option. This will open specific settings you can customize for this category of alerts. Finally, look for the vibrate toggle and simply turn it off. Once that's done, your phone will no longer vibrate whenever Instagram sends a support request notification. The notification can still appear on your screen, but it'll stay silent unless you decide otherwise. That's it. You've successfully disabled vibration for support request notifications on Instagram.